how to contact Poshmark customer service. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can contact Poshmark's customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to contact Poshmark customer service, open your browser and search for Poshmark customer service and you'll find the contact link from Poshmark. So tap on that contact link. And here you can see it says get in touch, or if you're enforcing law enforcement for whatever reasons, you can use this get in touch or reach out here button. But if you want to visit the support center exclusively, tap on the visit support center. Here you'll find various support related questions that you can have, or what you can do is you can scroll down and you can see troubleshooting and technical support or connect with us button. So first you can select any issues that maybe it is solving within these questions over here. So you can go ahead and then basically select any of these questions, and if it solves the problem, that's perfectly fine, and then you'll be able to connect with the representative from here. If you scroll down, you can see it says contact support. Tap on this contact support button. After you scroll down to the bottom, log into your Poshmark account and a live representative is going to get in touch with you. So this way you can contact Poshmark customer service. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.